What's up, guys? Real quick, there was a lot of you that said you missed the steering wheel, so please make sure you're subscribed and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future giveaways. I'm just doing this video real quick, guys, to talk to you about the two giveaways that we have going on. Our buddies over at American Speed Shops have upped the ante on the first giveaway. Not only are you gonna get a Bullet WS6 shirt or beanie, but you're also gonna get some merch from American Speed Shops. It looks like they are gonna go ahead and throw in a shirt of theirs as well. So all you have to do, like I said in the last video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, go over to American Speed Shops, hit that subscribe button over there as well, and leave your comment on the 1000 horsepower video that they did of the Bullet WS6 engine. So those three things: subscribe here, subscribe there, leave that comment, and you guys have a chance to win not only Bullet WS6 swag, but you're also gonna get a American Speed Shop t-shirt to add to that as well. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave that comment over there like I said, and we're gonna pick a winner here real soon. We have a second giveaway being done for some more merch. So if you don't win the first one, make sure you do the second one. The details to that giveaway are in the first podcast episode. That's it, just a short video to update you guys on what's going on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on notifications because we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways this year. We're going to try to up the ante a little bit, not just swag, maybe get some parts in there as well. Thank you everyone for your continuing support, and we're going to get back to work.